Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I have, yes, another mound of opening. Birthday month is fabulous. Let's not pretend like I don't do this all year, though. I have a couple of Aliexpress. This is something Darren bought me. I think I know what it is, but I'm not sure. That was my dog sneezing behind me. She comes and sits at my feet. Sometimes she finds toys and stuff. But Darren buys me something every day during birthday month, and that's the other dog that wants out of the room now. She's decided she's done in there. And yesterday's gift, or today's gift is gray filament. And this is the stuff that goes in the 3D printer. And he got me gray because I had just asked him to make some little coffins. If you went to Winsley World and saw her open her miniature Blythe doll from us, inside the box was a coffin with the doll's name on it. And this is what it's made from. Those take about 8.5 hours, just over 8.5 hours to print. Some people think that a 3D printer is like a copy machine. You put it in and out comes something. Oh no. It's a big deal, and it takes a long time and is so much fun. If you are thinking about getting a 3D printer, I recommend it. I really do. All right, I have to say, I'm anxious to see what this is. I think I know what's in there. I've been ordering a lot from Aliexpress. If we get sanctioned, that'll start. They get sanctioned, that'll stop. I've been trying to get some gifts in. Looking forward. I'm always, you know, I tell Darren our channel is like a magazine. While everybody else is enjoying summer, we're working on Christmas, which isn't altogether true, but it's pretty true. If you don't get on the holidays, they will get away from you before you ever get a video. It is what I thought. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you. We found Skylar, the cheerleader, on sale online, and I had been keeping my eye on her, but I was waiting for another doll I want, the Poppy Winter Break, and I kept thinking I'd get the two together, but thank goodness Darren bought this because the prices went up right after. Thank you so much. So now in the cheerleader series, I have Sunny and, is it Ruby? No, Sunny, Violet, Poppy, and Skylar. So I only need a couple more of those.
Happy birthday, beautiful.
Thank you, darling. Let's see what else we got from Aliexpress. I got my girls sitting here to remind you again that May 4th, our channel is going to host a May the 4th All Things Space Challenge Day. May the 4th. And it is traditionally Star Wars, but I know some people don't have Star Wars or like Star Wars, but you have something space. I think about every doll collector, I'm going to check and double check and recheck because twice I've overlooked something. But maybe you have Star Trek dolls or a doll in a space print outfit. Just show those on May the 4th. All right, let's see what I got. I bet it's Blythe related. Who wants to take bets that there's a doll in here? What kind of doll do you think it is? Oh, perhaps it's a Blythe.
It's a 24-inch doll.
Oh, I cut this and I didn't cut it right. I have to say, the Aliexpress orders are coming a lot faster. I ordered this, if it is what I think it is, and that's what the mail tracking said, I ordered this on March 3rd. I got it on March 23rd. So that's 20 days. Aren't these adorable? I got a double order. I love these little teddy bears. They make such a fun thing to add in a Blythe Happy Meal. They are articulated, they can sit, If you wanted to, you could dress them, take a little lace and make a skirt out of it, and just a little piece of fabric here for a top. I love these. I ordered some and I got the wrong size. In fact, I have one here. I thought these were this size, but I did find something I have found fun to do with those. I will be showing that craft soon. So I'm really tickled to have gotten those. Let's see what else we got. I'm hoping this weekend to get my other chubby Blythe head swap done. I'm anxious to see her. I'm trying to decide, do I want to do a face up? I think at this time I'm not going to. Okay, these are little inexpensive sweater dresses. I think this is a couple bucks, free shipping. Again, if you wanted to participate in Dolls Gone Goth, that J Dolls UK and I do each month on the 16th, this would be an inexpensive base piece that you could get if you wanted to. I'm not saying you have to or anything, just a suggestion. Oh, I don't know what this is. Oh, yes, I do. Okay, I'm going to put this to the side. This is for an upcoming collab, and I don't really want to show it yet. We have some upcoming collabs. Beth Ramston, Tammy Polly, and J Dolls UK and I. Okay, that is a wig base for the 1/3 dolls that I'm hoping we get back to and get those printed. But right now our printer's working on so many other things. We actually have 2 printers, but the other one is not up yet. They have to set them up when they come in, and that takes a little bit of time that Darren does not have. Oh, this is cute. This is just a little dress I saw, and it was inexpensive. I had one. Where's that doll? Oh, I guess she's in the other room. With a little rabbit on it, and I really liked it. So when I saw the little dog, I hate these packs. I can never find the end of them. So this one has a little dog. Just a cute little dress for a Blythe or a Barbie. Of course, at my house, it'll be Blythe, I'm sure. Inexpensive, inexpensive, inexpensive. Oh, cool. I didn't know I got 2 pairs. That's even better. I bought some, and I will wash these first. I highly recommend washing. I washed a bunch of black fabrics yesterday. They are fishnets. Won't that be cute under there? This should be the same. Let's take a look. Sure enough, aren't those cute? And they were really inexpensive. They were less than $2. I as far as making that, oh no, thank you. I don't really want to try those. It's not that I couldn't. I can do a lot of things I don't want to do.
Holy cow.
Yes, I am blessed. He says that, but just so y'all know, I do pre-approve what I buy. Oh gosh, this is. You'll need a close-up. This is for one of my mini Blythes. Wonder why it's double wrapped. Maybe because it's a box. And I hope, yep, sure enough, look at the little sewing items in there. Isn't that tiny and cute? Pour them out. Isn't that the cutest? And these are supposed to be threads or embroidery. Oh, that's embroidery thread. Oh, how cute. And this, a little bobbin. Oh, that's cute. Couple of little threads. Oh, how cute. Actually, 3. And then another little bobbin. Oh gosh, that's actually cloth. I'm not going to touch that, but that is an actual little ribbon that is a tape measure. And oh my God, these are tiny enough for my little Minnie's hand. How cute is that? That's right up there, stinking cute, isn't it? That's what Tammy Polly says, stinking cute. All right, I'm gonna put this back in here right away so that doesn't spill and get lost. All right, let's see. What else did I get? It's like my birthday. Oh wait, it is. Okay, we have Tammy Polly at Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Polly and I are doing a 1960s hippie. And we're asking everyone to join in to dress one of your dolls as a 1960 hippie. Look at that. Makes you think of Yoko Ono songs, doesn't it? Hi, everybody. Although I don't care for Yoko or anything about her. But that's just my opinion here, mumbled in the back. Okay. Oh, little pair of red shoes for Blythe dolls. I've been trying to throw in a pair of shoes with my orders since I can't get those black ones anymore. Oh, eye chips for an upcoming let me check something here real quick. Okay. And what else? Oh. Wait till you see this. I hope it's the size I'm thinking. I want to do a little diorama for my mini Blythe. One of my mini Blythes. Funny thing, I'm looking around at my own mini Blythe and not too many have face-ups. I need to get on that. Woohoo! How cute is this? Can you see the little sewing machine? My mom had an old Singer. We kept our telephone on it. It was the old wrought iron with the foot, the whole bit. We had the wrought iron flat with our telephone books on it, and our telephone sat here. Little pair of scissors, little thread, little fabric. Oh, God, that's cute. Oh, that is cute. That goes with that. And let's open the doll. This should be, well, you know, I'm not even going to say I ordered more than one. Yep, it is. This one's for me. This is my mini Daisy, I think. Daisy is my doll that I take places with me. And I do not do a face-up on her and won't because we take her out on the Katy Trail. We ride bikes places and take her with us. And, well, and other trails. But the Katy is chat and it's very dusty. And I'm afraid it would really mess up a face that had a face-up. Look at my mini Daisy. Oh my God, she's so cute. Her hair's a little bit more to the orange side. Well, maybe it's just this. Yeah, it's just that. So there's my little mini Daisy. Let's check her eyes. Oh yeah, she's so cute. Cute, 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 cute. How cute will she be in, I make like riding, cycling clothes for my little Daisy. How cute will it be to make her matching? Very, very cute. All right. This should be a gift. I am thinking ahead. I am still behind from December, but January was quite the month around here. Darren is still working every day of the week and about 80 hours a week on a project that he's on, which, what the heck here? Changes things in our household. Well, this one's gonna, I'm trying to pull. It was me, not the box. Yes, this is a gift. I have another one coming from me like her. I like this doll a lot. Let's check her eyes. She is a gift. She's going to get a face-up. Oh gosh, look again how thick and shiny that hair is. Wow, they have really stepped up their hair. I can't even find the... I don't just grab the pull ring and yank because the hair is twisted in it when you first get them, especially before you brush. And I don't want to yank that. All right, let's see what kind of eyes she has here. I like those gray, blue, that orangish amber. Kind of like it in this one, and pink. Everybody loves that pink, right? So there you have it. That is my haul today. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Darren. And please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.